Morning everyone! It's a pop in a box kind of a day today. You ready? You're excited? Oh, I love this subscription. Hit it, maestro, and I'll see you the other side of the intro. I've actually got two pop in the boxes that I haven't opened, so there's still one at the corner, and then I've got this one here as well. So shall we see what's in it? So for anyone who's not familiar and hasn't seen my other videos, it's a subscription service that's offered both in the UK and in the USA, and it's called Pop in a Box, and it's literally a Funko Pop, and you can choose whether you want 1, 2, 3, 4, there might be 12, 3, 6, 12, something like that. I never got past 2, I stopped at 2. So, and what you do is you sign up, you pay the set amount each month, and then if you choose anything else off the site, you end up getting 10% off. So it saves you money long term. What you then do is I choose the Disney subscription. There's all sorts of subscriptions you can choose on there. And then I go through all the Disney Funko Pops and I click the ones that I'd like. I click the ones that I have and I click the ones that I don't want, so that they know what I've already got, what I don't want and what I'd like. So hopefully whatever's in my subscription box, I'll love. So yeah, so for two Funko Pops every month, it costs me £18.99, which is what, about $22, $23, something like that. I do a postage on top as well, which I think my bill is $21.98, so what's that, $2.99 postage. Right, now, shall we open this? You're excited to see what's in it, right, let's open it. Okay, right. See, the only thing about this box is they don't actually put things in paper or hide it, you can see, so I'm not going to try and look, I'm just looking at you. Okay. What's this? Close the box back up so I can't see the one. Now it's a big box. Normally they come in a little box, right? This is just a normal one, so maybe that's a double. Right, can you see? I'm looking, eye contact, can you see? I haven't seen, right, I'm feeling, right, okay, so I think this is the front, so let's have a look. Who have we got? I've got Ross! I love this, look, Ross! Oh, these are just like my Monsters ears, I should have put my Monsters ears on. Let's get her out the box. I do put them around my computer upstairs, and then the ones that I don't want to display I give to Blake. But this is fabulous. I can't do the voice. Can you do the voice?
Right. Sorry, it's time that you were here.
It's really gone to my head. That wasn't bad though, was it really? Look at her lipstick. Just on the middle bit, look at her glasses with them chains. You see, that's like me with my chains, my glasses around my neck. The hair. Oh, isn't she fab? She's got, look, she's got a Monsters clipboard there. She's got a pencil in her hand. She's got a pencil in her hand. Look at her. She is amazing. Oh, I love this one. I absolutely love this one. I love Monsters. And she,
Sorry, I want you to come here now.
has got such a personality. Oh, I adore this. I adore this. And that's what I love about this subscription, is the fact that I don't know what's coming, so it's a mystery, but I've ticked all the ones I'd like. So, It's fab, isn't it? It's really fab, that one. Right, so that one can go by my computer. The box will go safely away in case it ever wants to find a new home. But I love that one. Right. Number two. Come in, number 2. Your time, it's a big box. Okay. I'm going to try really hard not to look. And I do have quite good peripheral vision. That's what I'm looking for. Now I can see it's a big box. Okay. Right, okay, you ready? I'm trying not to see. I can see there's some turquoisey blue on it. That's all I can make out. Let's have a look. Oh my word. Oh my word. That's amazing. You know, like Box Lunch, and they have all the limited edition ones, and like they did the Dumbo and the Villains, and I can't get my hands on one because they don't ship, and I'd love one. I'd love one of them, and I can't get my hands on one. But look, this is like it, isn't it? It's obviously Genie quizzing Aladdin. Love this. It's got First Wish. I wonder if this was out of the movie, then the first movie, and this was the scene with Robin Williams where he gives him his first wish. I am going to have to rewatch it, aren't I? I haven't watched that one for ages because there was a time when we used to watch it every day. Every day when the kids were little, it was one of their favourite films. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this is really clever. Look, it's on a stand, but they don't come off. Look at that. I mean, seriously, just look at this. It's beautiful. You've got the sand. It's like a platform, isn't it? It's like he's on a TV quiz show. You've got the sand, the rough sand there of the desert. You've got him there all dressed up. Oh, that's really lovely. That's really lovely. I wonder if they're going to have any of like the Hot Topic exclusives. I'd love those. I'd love one of those. But that is a very, very beautiful statue. And he's even, I don't know, can you see his little shoes, the pointed shoes? Can anyone back in the 80s remember having shoes that were like that? They were like Genie shoes on the end. Can you remember that? Can you see? I may well have had some. Obviously I wasn't here in the 80s because we were all established on 28, but I may well have had some of those. All the trend. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful. I'm really thrilled. This was a really, really good box this month. So we got Roz and we've got Aladdin and Genie. You can't really say much more than that, can you? So yeah, so I'm absolutely thrilled. Hope you've enjoyed that. Poor Blake's not getting either of them this month. Hope you've enjoyed that. Got to be evil sometimes, keeps the kids on their toes. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. That means I'll become one of your favourites, and by clicking the notification bell, they'll send you an email to tell you when I've uploaded a new video. So you don't miss out on any. And if you want to watch it, great. And if you don't, you've got that option. So thanks ever so much, everybody. Take care, be good, be kind, and I'll see you really soon. Be good, everyone. Bye.